Hi everyone! Today, we're going to draw a cute Snow White princess. Yay! Get your pencils and colors ready. Let's start drawing together. First, let's draw Snow White's head. Follow the lines in the video, friends. Nice and slow. You're doing amazing! Next, draw her neck, and then we'll start with her beautiful dress. Let's begin with the collar. Are you done? Good job! Now let's draw the puffy sleeves, so princessy. Time to draw Snow White's hands. Follow along, step by step. Now continue with the top of her dress. And now the big, flowing yellow skirt. She's sitting down. Awesome! You're doing great! Let's add some cute patterns on her sleeves. And don't forget her ribbon headband. Draw it like a bow on top. Wow, it's looking super cute. Almost done. Now let's draw her eyebrows. Her two big eyes. A tiny little nose. And a sweet smile. Yay! Our drawing is complete. You did it, friends! Now it's time to color. You can also use your favorite colors. Just be creative. Thank you so much for drawing Snow White with me today. You all did such an amazing job. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. See you next time, friends. Bye-bye.